You now will be shown the main features of the Awareness Diary. To download the Awareness Diary app, you should navigate to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for the app. After choosing the language, on the first start you will need to allow the app to send you notifications. You can change this in the settings in the future. Here is the main screen of the app. All your notes will be presented here. Click on the arrows on the bottom to change the dates, or you can simply swipe left and right to track your progress. This button leads you to the week and coffee meditation screen. If you press it again, you'll see the month screen. Here you can navigate to any date in the past to check what your thoughts were in the day. Next is the to-do list screen. We'll show you the functions of this screen later on in this video. You can see the settings by tapping the gear button in the top right corner of the main screen. Here is how you make the new note. Tap the cell to add or modify the note. Enter your text. By pressing the plus and minus buttons, mark the note as positive, negative, or just leave it as is for neutral. Tap Save. As you see, now in the main screen, the note has the positive or negative color tile and the text you've just entered. Now let's add a negative note. You can add pictures and audio files to the notes. To take a picture or add one from your photos, press the respectful button from the bar just above the keyboard. When you do it in the first time, the app will ask permissions to use the camera, store pictures, and use your microphone. You can take multiple photos and look through them. To add audio to your note, just press the microphone icon above the keyboard. When you're done, tap Stop. You can play the audio and pause it at any time. If you want to delete the audio, tap the cross. You can store in one cell all types of media at the same time: text, pictures, and audio. Since we've added a negative note, we need to balance it by our future actions. That's where the to-do list screen comes handy. Navigate to the to-do list screen. When adding a to-do, by pressing the plus sign, you can set a reminder on a certain date and time. You can track what to-dos are complete by ticking the completed ones. You can rearrange the list by tapping the Edit button and then dragging the item up and down. Also, you have an option to show or hide the completed to-dos. If you want to secure your personal data of the app, you can add 4-digit password, or you can use your finger scan or face scan on supported devices. The app requires to enter your passcode if you haven't used it for 5 minutes or more. The Awareness Diary supports 9 languages. By default, the app will remind you to create a note 6 times per day, and you can adjust the number of the reminders and the time period when you want to receive them. Also, you can choose the time of the coffee meditation reminder. When the coffee meditation time comes, just tap the notification button and you'll be driven to the coffee meditation screen. Add your today's text conclusion and mark it as done. Track your statistics and share it with any option you like by pressing the share button. To see more options, move all the way to the right and tap More to reveal more options. The About the App section has following: Basic FAQ section in supported languages. From here you can rate the app with native App Store functions. We've put our sweat and soul in this app, and we will continue to update it with many more features. If you have any suggestions, you can email the app developers straight from the Awareness Diary app. Thanks for your time, and thank you for downloading our app.